The Malabar Trogon, Harpactes fasciatus. Deep within the rainforests of India and Sri Lanka, a flash of red and gold cuts through the green. The Malabar Trogon, one of the most stunning forest birds of South Asia. Measuring about 30 centimeters, the male is a vision of contrast, a grey-black head, broad white breast band, and a glowing pinkish-red belly. The female, in softer hues of brown and yellow, blends more subtly into the shadows. Both share a delicate blue bill and eye ring, a hallmark of this elegant species. The Malabar Trogon lives in the middle canopy of evergreen and moist deciduous forests, often where bamboo grows thick. Found from the Western Ghats to the hill forests of Sri Lanka, it can be seen up to 2,000 meters above sea level. Their diet is mostly insects, caterpillars, beetles, cicadas, and stick insects, sometimes even berries and leaves. Although quiet and shy, it hunts with remarkable precision, often joining mixed flocks of other forest birds. From February to June, pairs nest in natural hollows or broken stumps, laying 2 to 4 white eggs. Both parents take turns incubating and feeding their chicks in the dappled light of the forest. Graceful, secretive, and brilliantly colored, the Malabar Trogon is a living gem of the Indian rainforest, a reminder of the quiet beauty hidden in our forests. The Malabar Trogon currently listed as a species of least concern. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to explore more of nature's hidden wonders. Thank you for watching.